On January 14th, temperatures in Montana dropped to -22. Most people stayed inside. One tiny soul didn't have that choice. It was the worst blizzard in 3 decades. Roads closed, towns went quiet, and somewhere out there, a small orange tabby was completely alone. Sarah was closing her barn when she heard it, barely audible over the wind. A cry, weak, desperate, coming from beneath a snow-covered hay bale. What she found was heartbreaking. A tiny cat, matted with ice, shaking uncontrollably. She could barely lift her head. Every minute counted. The nearest vet was 31 miles away. The storm was getting worse. Sarah drove anyway, heater on full, cat tucked against her chest. She couldn't look down, but she could feel that tiny heartbeat. Still going, still fighting. At mile marker 18, the truck hit black ice. When she recovered, the cat had gone completely still. Sarah drove faster. Dr. Webb was already gloved up when she burst through the door. He looked at the cat and said quietly, "She's in bad shape." Then he got to work. Sarah sat alone in the waiting room. She didn't know this cat, but she couldn't leave. At 1:22 a.m., the door opened. Her temperature is coming back up. It was very close. Sarah exhaled for the first time all night. By 3 a.m., Ember was awake. When Sarah placed her hand on the blanket, the cat slowly turned and purred. Quiet, rough, real. One photo, one tiny paw under a warming blanket. Caption, "She made it." Shared 400,000 times in 18 hours. 3 days later, Sarah carried Ember out into the January sun. Bright-eyed, curious, safe. She adopted her that same week. "I didn't rescue her," Sarah said. "She kind of rescued me, too." There are thousands of animals tonight waiting for someone to stop and listen. Ember survived because one person did. If her story moved you, share it. For every animal still out there, waiting for their Sarah.